Hey guys, just thought it would be another good day to record since the wind has picked up a little bit. The Grace Note chime is especially making a lot of noise. I could hear it. It was the first thing I heard when I stepped out the front door. It's ringing a lot. I don't know what ended up on this one. What is this? What is that? Whatever. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I should really bring out the other two X-Heart chimes I have like this and hang them with this one. Well, once I bring more chimes out, I probably will. I need to get a lot of my chimes out of storage. Just gotta wait until March. I hate February, honestly. This is just the absolute worst month of the year, and I cannot wait for it to be over. I am anticipating the end of this month. I can't stand February. Just for so many reasons, I don't like this month. The nearest chime is over here, where I had the chimes of Venus. It's not making much noise though. Just the wind catcher is swinging back and forth, but that's about it. Oh yeah, and this is... Oh yeah, also... What I was saying yesterday about the top piece, you see how mine just is, because I was talking about how Wind Chime Fans Arius Chime has a large hole on the top piece that the middle string goes through. Mine doesn't have that for some reason. It's just got this very little hole here that you can barely even see. So I'm guessing mine is newer or something. That's what I'm guessing anyways. And you can all... Oh, there we go. Now it's making a lot of noise. Now it's ringing. But also, too, on mine, the middle string doesn't even start up here. It just starts right there. Just a little observation I made. Looks like these three aren't really doing much. There is no wind over in this area. There's a lot of wind up there, but down here, there's barely anything coming through. Okay, well, they're making a little bit of noise, but not much. It looks like some of the leaves are coming back. Yeah, look over here. Because I don't think those are just leaves that survived the winter. I think those are actually leaves that are starting to come back in because they look new. Because I know there are some leaves that just do not fall off. They'll change color during the fall, but they don't fall off. Those leaves over there look fully green. So I think those are new leaves that are coming in. I guess that's the first sign of spring then. A reminder that winter's almost over. I think today's only the 7th of February though. This month cannot end soon enough. Now there's a little bit of a breeze coming through here. I'm looking at the gazing ball chime. It's moving around a lot compared to these 3. I can hear the 3 wind chimes over there from where I'm at. Hold on, did this one lose more paint? I do not remember seeing that before. This one still looks perfectly fine though. And then that one still looks good. Except I don't know why the top piece is crooked. Yeah, but see, look at this. You gotta be kidding me. Oh yeah. Now we got a good breeze coming in. The striker actually came out. I want to see if it does it again. Wait, what happened here? Why do the strings look like this? Is it supposed to be like this? This just looks off. I mean, it looks like the striker's still in the correct spot, so I guess it's supposed to be like this? Something I've always loved about Grace Note chimes is that the wind catchers on all of them are built in a way where they catch the wind very easily. It doesn't take much to get them to ring, but at the same time, it doesn't cause them to make so much noise that they just become obnoxious after a while. Is this tape supposed to be up this high? Wait, can't they be adjusted? Oh yeah, they can. That looks better. Geez, that Carolina wren is really singing its heart out right now. Where is he? I don't... Somewhere out over there. Oh, there's another one. They're communicating with each other. They're singing back and forth to each other. Yeah, that's typical wren behavior. Well, at least it's normal for the Carolina wrens. They do it around here a lot. They're such small birds, though. I can't actually see either of them. They are loud for such small birds, though. Alright. It's starting to calm. The wind is starting to calm down a little bit, so I think I'm going to end the video here. Bye.